Why should you get yourself a timber ripping blade for your table saw? As the name suggests, it is designed to rip timber. It does it rapidly, more quickly than a general purpose or any other kind of crosscut blade which is not designed for the job. The reason it does it more quickly is you've got fewer teeth on the blade, you've got a more aggressive angle, and you've got a flat tooth grind on the top of those teeth, which just means when you're going with the grain of the timber, it's just going to rip through really rapidly and get those nice long cuts quickly. Now, if you leave a ripping blade in your machine constantly and you try and do some cross cuts, you'll notice a bit more tear out than you would get with one of the other blades, and that's where these blades are not designed to perform to their best. So really swap it out when you're not ripping, and you'll really enjoy using one of these. I'll show you how they perform in the timber. We'll run through a few cuts. If you're looking for a more in-depth look at how to get the most out of your saw blades, check out this video that we made last year. It's a bit longer, much more detail, and you'll get some other great information there.